Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be reviewing this OceanStar 3098 keyboard by Akko. This is a 98% wired mechanical keyboard with a gorgeous blue color scheme. So let's check it out. In the box you get the Akko OceanStar keyboard, a blue Type-C cable, extra PBT keycaps in white, a purple keycap puller, and a plastic dust cover. Personally, I won't use this plastic dust cover because it's quite flimsy and it's quite reflective as well. It does work, but it's just gonna look a bit cheap. Although the case is made of plastic, it's pretty rigid. There are no flex at all, but you can hear some hollowness when typing. At the bottom of the case, there are 4 grips, 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. There are also 2 different heights adjustment flip-up feet. Now I have to say, the highest flip-up feet makes the keyboard sit higher than average, so if you're a person who likes typing on a high keyboard, then this will definitely be comfortable for you. My favorite part about this case is the built-in wire channel. This is really convenient because not only can the cable come out from the front, but it can also come out from the left or right. Not many keyboards out there have this, so it's nice to see that Akko decided to do this. When I purchased this keyboard, it gave me 2 options for the keycaps, one with the top printed legends and the other with the side printed ones. If you've seen this keyboard before, chances are you've probably seen the one with side printed legends, so this one is pretty special. And also, I find the side printed legends pretty ugly, so I got this one instead. It gave me a couple options for the switches at checkout, so I got the Gateron gold and yellows. I've never used them before, so my first impression of them is that they are alright. They aren't good or bad, they're sort of in the middle, but you can definitely feel the scratchiness when typing softly. The stabilizers on this keyboard sounds and feels a bit cheap, but it's not the worst I've seen. From what I can tell, the stabilizers are pre-lubed just a bit, so that's probably why it still rattles when you type on it. An easy method to fix this is to add more lube to them yourself. I did that and they sound way better now. Take a second and hear for it yourself. Now to my favorite thing about this keyboard. The keycaps. These look stunning. I always wanted a set of mixed blue keycaps, and I think this is it. This may be my favorite looking set of keycaps. So much so that I'll be removing them from this keyboard and using them for another keyboard build soon. These are double shot PBT cherry profile keycaps, which means they won't shine and the printing won't fade away over time. After using it for some time, I can definitely say these are some high quality keycaps. With the additional white keycaps, the name OceanStar is truly fitting because it does remind me of an ocean wave with the white keycaps being some of the sea foam. Before posting this video, I've been using this keyboard for roughly 2 weeks. So would I recommend it? Yes, definitely. For $62, this keyboard is definitely worth it. For $62 USD, you get a decent quality keyboard with premium keycaps and a keycap puller. Not to mention, it's a full-size keyboard. I mean, the only con I can really think of is the rattly stabilizer and the hollowness when typing. But you can easily solve these problems yourself by lubing the stabilizer and placing a desk mat underneath the keyboard like I did. So yeah, if you're interested in this keyboard, I would certainly encourage you to buy it. Here's a quick sound test. Alright, this is the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed my honest review of this Akko keyboard. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll be doing more of these keyboard reviews in the future. Currently I'm working on another keyboard build, so expect a video coming soon. I guess I'll see you in the next video.